Here I have a 6-pin Yale key and knob cylinder. Another one of my eBay wins. It looks strange, so I bought it. Pretty much just a regular 6-pin Yale. It's a GB keyway, but it's got this huge head on it. That's part of the plug. It's actually one piece that's been, milled out. But got a little black ring down here, and that black ring pops right off of it. And then you've got this great big head. So it's got to go to some special type of special knob that they made. This is something I can think of. If you've ever seen one of these or know what it's for exactly, let me know. 1801R 0-bitted GB, was 0-bitted. I keyed it up, and works good. I just don't know, that huge head on it makes it look crazy, but I'll go ahead and pick it. But I'm going to pop this black ring off, because whenever I start picking on it, that black ring just pops right off anyway, so I'm not sure what that's for. There it is, picked. And nothing to it. It's just 6 pins, standard Yale, no security pins or anything. I just kind of wanted to show you the lock. So if you come across one on eBay, it's nothing special. Just unusual. So if you know what it goes to, let me know. And thanks for watching.